Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for food stamps in Texas. So first is to head over to hhs.texas.gov. Then next is click on services, then click on food. And from here, just scroll down until you get to SNAP food benefits. And from here, just click on learn more about SNAP. So from here, it is important to read the notes here. And in this section, you can see that SNAP can't be used to buy tobacco, buy alcoholic drinks, buy things you can't eat or drink, or pay for food bills you owe. And if you scroll further, you can see here eligibility for the benefits. The next is scroll down once again until you get to learn more. And from here, just click on apply for benefits at your texasbenefits.com. Then next is switch on apply for new benefits and start by clicking on apply button. From here, you will be prompted to log in or create an account, but you can also apply without an account, but they recommend you creating an account for it to be more convenient for you. And from here, we can just proceed by continuing without an account. And to proceed, you're going to need to enter the CAPTCHA, then proceed by clicking on Get Started. And from here, you're going to need to pick programs. So we're currently here at SNAP Food Benefits, and make sure that you check SNAP Food Benefits or Food Stamps, then proceed by clicking on Next. To start, just press by clicking on OK. You can start answering who are you filling this form for, myself or people I live with or someone else. Then just click on done and also fill in all the details for contact person or head of household, also languages for letters and forms, and what language you speak. This is basically the beginning of your application form. And as you can see here is the progress bar. And these are the information you're going to need to fill out to complete your application for your food stamp. Just make sure that you answer all the questions correctly, accurately, and with integrity. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!